Sea Life scope, really cheap scope, so we don't know how it's gonna do. I had it for a while, so it's all banged up and stuff. I bought it a while ago for the Daisy Powerline 880, my old one. Yeah, you can also dial it in. It's just one crosshair in it. And wait, before we end. It feels less than the 880 because the 880 is really light, so it's not that accurate. But now it's nicer with this. It's a pretty big scope on the Daisy. Yeah, I need it for hunting and it's fog proof too. Alright, so we're gonna try starting it in. And here's how it looks through the scope. Oh, it's a. Well, we had to buy a special ring for it too. Yep. Fit the 880. We bought a special ring. See, the one side's broken. It's not brand new. It's the ring's fault, not the scope. We just found this in the back of a gun safe. Yeah, they're around like $20. That's how it looks. Yeah, we couldn't get this open. Oh yeah. Yeah, so you can't get stuck sometimes. Oh, look, another thing. Scope doesn't get in the way too much when reloading. See, it's kind of a pain. So drop it in. Alright. Going through the scope. I'm gonna try to get it between the eyes. So I think he missed the whole thing. Let's go through the scope and get some full motion. He's aiming for right there. Nice scope. Yeah. Then we do a headshot, right? I'm gonna aim at the top. Gun's real. I also just made a seat with just traps. Yeah. Try to get through the scope. Alright. Not focusing. Yeah. Alright, so we don't know where we're hitting. Well, yeah, we moved on the board. Keep blowing. What? Keep blowing hard. Alright. Look at this. Down to the right. I mean, that's pretty consistent. But I mean, it's about an inch. But I mean, he may be aiming somewhere else. Like maybe, like I'm aiming at the head. It's not like a bullseye. We're just aiming at the head. So, alright, I'm not gonna film us tuning it in and stuff. I'm just gonna film us shooting like while we tune it in. It is a pain reloading it now, like putting the pellet in, but you get used to it. Alright, that's not bad. See, look, it's getting better. And look at these hits. They're basically stacked on. For a $17 scope, that's pretty good. For now. I mean, you could have been aiming there, and actually I may have aimed like right there. So, still not bad. Alright, I think we sighted him in. Yeah, I was thinking of calling this video, doing like a review on the scope, but I guess I'm gonna call it a Airgun setup. So basically we just have this Sea Life scope on it. Not much to see if I can hit the skull. Yeah, that's just to prove how accurate it is. Here's what I'm gonna do. Go down. See? Comment for more scope cam videos. Get the gong. I mean the soda can underneath the gong. Mm.